Welcome to my channel. D-Link AQUILA Pro AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 router, M60, full setup, speed test and review. 1. Unbox the router. Open the box and check all items. Router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and manual. 2. Connect the hardware. Plug the router into power and connect it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. 3. Power on the device. Turn on the router and wait until the LED lights become stable. 4. Download the app. Install the D-Link AQUILA Pro AI app from Play Store or App Store. 5. Create login account. Open the app and sign in or create a new D-Link account. 6. Start setup process. Tap on Add Device and follow on-screen instructions to detect your router. 7. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Set your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and strong password for secure connection. 8. Connect devices. Join your phone, laptop to the new Wi-Fi network you created. 9. Run speed test. Use apps like Speed Test to check internet speed and compare performance. 10. Final review and optimization. Check coverage, enable AI optimization features, and place the router in a central location for best performance. Pro tip: keep the router elevated and away from walls for better signal coverage. Thanks for watching.